Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Arohi Educator. This is day 2 of our English podcast series, specially designed for the Class 8 Scholarship Examination.
Yes, friends, through Arohi Educator, we are learning English step by step, topic-wise in a continuous conversation format, so that listening itself becomes your daily practice.
We are students of Zilla Parishad Pashala Banoti, and this series is created to help scholarship students improve vocabulary, understanding, and confidence in English.
In day 1, we learnt about synonyms, words with the same meaning.
Today, in day 2, we are learning another very important topic, and that topic is antonyms.
Arohi, many students confuse antonyms with synonyms. Can you explain antonyms very clearly?
Yes, Manas, and friends, please listen carefully. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. I repeat again, antonyms are words which give completely opposite ideas.
So antonyms always show contrast.
Exactly. Let me explain again in another simple way. If one word gives one meaning and another word gives the opposite meaning, those two words are called antonyms. That sounds simple now. For example, listen carefully. Hot means having high temperature. Cold means having low temperature. So hot and cold are antonyms. Big means large in size. Small means little in size. So big and small are antonyms. Now friends, let us learn some very common and very important antonyms that appear again and again in scholarship examinations.
Students, just keep listening. Repetition will help you remember.
Happy, sad. Happy, sad. Feeling good versus feeling unhappy. Big, small. Big, small. Large size versus little size. Fast, slow. Fast, slow. High speed versus low speed. Early, late. Early, late. Before time versus after time. Up, down. Up, down. Higher position versus lower position. Near, far. Near, far. Close versus distant. Open, close. Open, close. Not shut versus shut. Rich, poor. Rich, poor. Having money versus not having money. Brave, coward. Brave, coward. Showing courage versus fear. Strong, weak. Strong, weak. Having power versus lacking power.
These words are very easy but very important.
Yes, many students lose marks in easy questions because they do not revise such basic antonyms.
Now, Arohi, can one word have more than one antonym?
Very good question. Yes, friends, sometimes one word can have different antonyms depending on the meaning used. For example, the word light. Light can mean not heavy, so the antonym is heavy. Light can also mean bright, so the antonym is dark.
So we must understand the meaning first.
Exactly. Scholarship exams check your understanding, not only memory. Now, friends, let us understand antonyms using sentences.
Now let us understand antonyms using sentences.
Sentence practice makes the concept clear. He is a rich man. He is a poor man. She came early to school. She came late to school. The bag is heavy. The bag is light. The road is near. The road is far.
In every pair, meaning is completely opposite.
Yes, students should always practice antonyms in pairs like this. Now friends, let us solve some scholarship-style MCQs. Choose the antonym of brave. The correct answer is coward because brave shows courage and coward shows fear. Choose the antonym of early. The correct answer is late because early means before time and late means after time. Choose the antonym of strong. The correct answer is weak because strong means powerful and weak means not powerful.
Always read all options carefully before answering.
Now, friends, just listen and think of the opposite word. Clean, dirty. Tall, short. Hard, soft. Old, young. Right, wrong. Full, empty. Even if you don't answer immediately, your mind is learning.
Arohi, why do examiners ask antonyms?
Because antonyms test your understanding of meaning. If you understand a word deeply, you can easily find its opposite.
That is why listening regularly to Arohi Educator is helpful.
Let us revise once again. Antonyms mean opposite words. Big, small. Happy, sad. Fast, slow. Rich, poor.
Daily listening and revision will make English easy.
Stay connected with Arohi Educator for daily scholarship English podcasts.
This series is proudly created by students of Zilla Parishad Prashala Banoti for all scholarship aspirants.
This was Day 2. Antonyms explained slowly and clearly.
Tomorrow we will come with Day 3, one-word substitution.
Both together, keep learning, keep listening with Arohi Educator. Thank you.